Okay, I'm going to try and describe this as loudly as I can. My voice is kind of messed up because I've been sick. But what you're going to do is you're going to take, this is my demo Weebly page. So you are going to start a new post, and I'm going to do that right now. New post. It's kind of right outside my window. There it goes. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and this is going to be my new post. It says drag elements here. So you'll go over to where the icons are and look for the one that says embed code. You're going to drop that right into your post, wherever you want to put it. Then you're going to go back and get your video. So here's a video that I created for one of our classes. I'm going to click the word share. It's a YouTube video, and they all say share underneath them. So you do not want the URL code right here. That's not going to work. You want to go to the embed code, and there it is, ready for you to copy. So I'm going to click copy right here, and I'm going to go back to my Weebly page. And it says click to set HTML. So I'm going to, well, we're going to edit the HTML too because we're going to change the size. But I'm going to paste that right in there. And what we're going to change this to, I think, is 360. Oh gosh, I hope I, no wait, 640 by 360. 640 by 360. And that's the ideal size that you want to have of your video posted in Weebly. So that will put your video in there perfectly so that you can see the whole screen. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll save that and post it. Publish. You saw it. Waiting to be seen. Okay, so go back to my site. Oh, there it is. I just saw it. Lost it again. There it is. Okay, so you should be able to play right into that video. And there it is, and that's the way
Hi guys, this is your introduction.
Ooh, you don't have to listen to that again. Okay, let me know if you have questions, but that's the way you embed your video in your Weebly page, in a blog post on your Weebly page. Okay, thanks.